Hi there, hi everyone, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 28th. I've done 3 puzzles and today I only do 5 out of 9, and this will be 4th out of 9, the Tectonic with 4 stars, yes. And this will be number 3604. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits, and for a 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, the previous Sudoku with 4 stars was a tough one, really tough one, and I've solved this exactly in 30 minutes. So I hope this one will be also a 4 stars. So let's get started, and the first question to you is, do we have here any single boxes here? Let me scan the puzzle. Single box, because the single box is always a 1. One single box. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes here? Dual boxes. 1 also. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 2. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? No. Quadra boxes then, with 4 boxes. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, constructions, or structures. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. The T shape. If you see this T shape, yeah, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Only one T shape, T figure. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The Z construction, yeah. Rotated, this Z. Alright. Here we have this Z construction. If you see this Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, only one Z construction I see. Shape or figure. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. Yeah, let me draw this here. This shape. Okay. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be a 1. It should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more of these kind of shapes. Here. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. It's connected. Here, look, connected. All right. Only two of those shapes we have. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. Okay. This shape, if you see this kind of shape in this box, has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. A 1. So this box is the same name as that box. More of this kind of shape in this puzzle. Here, rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Alright. Then the following figure. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Okay. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. Okay, so it's connected here. Connected. Okay, those are the figures because there aren't any more of these kind of shapes. So we have here in this puzzle only 5 of those figures that you need to recognize. There are more, but in this puzzle we have only 5. I believe there are 6, but in this puzzle we have 5 that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it will be easy for filling the numbers. So the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Then. How about these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Well, I cannot place a 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 4 goes here. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be a 5. It's in the same area, yes. Should be a 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 4. The other pair should be the 1 and the 5 in this area. 1 and a 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 3. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 3 and a 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1 in this T-shaped area. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 4. Okay. Then. How about these two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair should be the 2 and the 3 in this area. 2 and the 3, we see here, 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. All right. Let me sneeze some. Yeah, I need to sneeze. Blow my nose. Sorry, blow my nose. It's cold here. All right. All right. Let me think. These two boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 here. If I feel a 3 here, I cannot place any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction or Z shape area for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3 anymore. Because if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 1. And that box should be a 3. These 3 are boxes surround the 3. Cannot be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it cannot be a 3 here. Because if I place a 3 here, these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. But also those two boxes cannot be a 3, and I need a 3 in this area. So it's not the solution, place the 3 here. The 3 should be here. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay, this box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those, 4 and 5. Okay. Then these two boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 4. Okay. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4 again. 3 and 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be 1. Can it be 2? Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Okay. This box, I think it should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Here also 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then. How about 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Oh, aha. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here in the same area. It cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there in the same area. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Okay. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Alright. So now this box should be also a 5 again, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, and we have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Need to wait. 2 and 4. 2, 4, 3, 4. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. 4 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. We go up, 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those, 3 and 5. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Okay. Now. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Tectonic. But is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. No. Because I've solved this in 18 minutes, so it's a 2 stars. Whether 2 stars, yes. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle in this additional. It will be a killer Sudoku. Try this one. Try a killer Sudoku, because it will combine all the techniques of the Sudokus, of the binaries, and the tectonics. And you need to count, yes, mathematics. Thank you again, and see you later. Bye-bye for now.